Morning. Today is December 2nd, 2024. This is sewer line inspection for 2948 South Norton Avenue in LA with the zip code 90018. Currently, camera is located at the city connection in the middle of the Norton Avenue. The city connection we call city saddle is looking good. We don't have any misalignments between clay connections, no roots, no shifts, and we're looking good. The city saddle is the very last point of the sewer system, very last point of homeowner responsibility, and we're looking good. I'm pulling the camera back towards the main cleanout. So this is a 6-inch vitrified clay pipe original to the property. We don't see any significant issues with the clay pipe. We don't see roots inside the system, no cracks. Overall it's looking good. Recommendation at this point would be to monitor the clay connections every couple of years with the sewer camera. And we are at the property line where 6-inch clay connects to a 4-inch clay. This transition is looking good. We don't have any misalignments, no shift, no roots. Four-inch clay to 4-inch plastic connection at the property line, and we're going back to 4-inch plastic. 4-inch plastic is going to continue towards the clean out. No issues with the plastic.